Let me show you one of the best appointment booking systems for WordPress. On this video, I'm going to show you how powerful this plugin is and how easy it is to set up. Now, it does come bundled with a lot of features, so you want to stick around for this video. Now, this is the plugin, and you can check it out right now in the link in the description to go ahead and grab it. Now, they have an optional service that you can grab right now, which is an initial configuration. So if you're lazy, not tech savvy, or if you're worth more than the time that's going to take you to build this and pay that, then highly recommend that you grab the initial configuration. Okay, so this is the plugin. You can go ahead and install it right now. It's already installed on my WordPress website, and you can see I have a brand new menu here that says appointments. Now I have all these available features that I can use to potentialize my appointment system. Now this is different from booking a hotel. This is about appointments. Now let me go ahead and show you first my site that's already enabled to show you how it works. Now you can set this up as nice as you want. This is just for demo purposes. So right now, this is my landing page for this purpose, and I can go ahead and view the services. So these are my current services that I have set up on my appointment system. For example, a facial, massage, etc. So I'm gonna, for example, book this service. So let's go ahead and check this out, and it takes me to the reservation system. So I can go ahead and select the facial hydration, the location, so I can set all this up to have all the available options. The employee with this one. Let's hit next. Now I can see the available schedules that I can select. For example, I want to book for the 20th for 12:30 p.m. Let's go ahead and continue. So here's a quick overview. Yes, that sounds good. Let's fill in the information. Here we go. A test email for testing purposes, a test phone number for booking purposes, some notes. I'm just going to say test note so we can locate this later on. And here we go. It is now reserved and added to the spot. I can go ahead and save this to my Google, Apple, or Outlook and Yahoo Calendar so I can have a reminder, and I can add a new reservation straight from here. Now, how easy is this to set up? It's practically pretty easy. Just go ahead and go through the steps and fill all this out. First thing you want to do is head on over to settings to fill out the most important information here, like the configuration mode. Is it going to be confirmed automatically like you just saw right now? Is it going to be by admin approved or confirmation upon payment? So if you're going to require a payment, go ahead and set this on. Payment options are available on this tab. The terms and conditions page, go ahead and create that page and connect it right here. That way there's a dedicated conditional page for the appointment system. You can set your terms there, like your cancellation policies, etc., all from there. And you can allow multiple bookings, allow coupons, so that's a good option too. Booking cancellation, do you want to allow them to cancel? Booking cancellation page, and set the pages here, which could be created here on WordPress really easily. And the miscellaneous options. Go ahead and save these new options and we're good to go. Next, we have the email setup. Go ahead and set that up right here. Really easy and straightforward. Your notification options, your payment options, your integrations. So you can go ahead and integrate with Google Calendars so they sync together. Your MISC options and your license. Now, when it comes to the rest of the information, I do recommend that you go through these first before actually creating the services. So I recommend creating service tags, service categories, which could all be created right here, your coupons, your locations, and all of these, then create your actual services. So for example, here's one of the services that I want to show you, which is the exfoliation service. And you can see there's a landing page for this where you can provide all the details. Right now, currently, it's basic how it's set, but you can add really good details into this, right? Then we have our employees where you can set all of these up, then jump into schedules. And in schedules, we can set the schedules for the employees. For example, for John, let's go ahead and edit John just to give you an example. Here's the employee, the main location. So you have several locations available. He's set for this specific location. The timetable, so I can add a new timetable right here really easily, or edit the ones available here. The days off, so for example, days off can be set here, so they cannot book during those days. So if this particular employee is off for this week because they asked for a week off, just go ahead and add that right here. And those schedules will be marked off for this specific employee, all right? Then we have the custom working days. So you can add custom working days so they don't follow the general rule that you create. So it's easy and practical to set from here. Once you're good to go ahead and update. And if you want to create a new schedule, just go ahead and do so here. Select the employee and create the schedule right here really easily. So once you're good to go, you've created your employees, your schedules, your services, your coupons from here. You're good to go to take in bookings. Now, how do we implement this on the actual page? Well, there's shortcodes that you can add to your page. You can create a beautiful looking page and just go ahead and add the shortcodes where you need them. For example, you have a service shortcode that you can create And you can select here the appointment form, the employees list, locations list, service list, and the services list. You have your short code. Now let me give you a quick example by adding a new one. Let me create a short code for the service list. Here we go. I can decide what I want to display, and I'm going to call this services, and I can decide what I want to display in the services. Service, employees, categories, tags, posts per page, depending on the look of that page that you're going to create. Set the amount of posts per page here, the column count, so no more than 3, the post order, and the advanced settings for HTML and CSS. Once you're good to go, you go ahead and publish this, and you have a new short code that you can start using. And here it is. You have your short code available to embed this on a page, on a blog post, or wherever you need to embed it, all right? So it's easy and practical with the short codes. So you have your theme builder that you use. If you're not using the Gutenberg builder, just add the shortcode in that builder and you'll be good to go to implement this. So it's gonna work fine with any builder that you use. Now, once you start taking in bookings, you're going to find your calendar here, which is the general view of a calendar view. Just go ahead and click on any of the schedules and you'll view the details right here. And you can view the booking straight from here by clicking on it, and you have all the available details here. So no coupon selected, you can select one for them from here, but you got the details here, the training session with the employee John, the location, the price, the date, the time, and the client. All the available details here to start viewing, all by going into the calendar and selecting the booking straight from here. There's also filters on the top to make this even easier to locate new bookings. Now again, you can select any of the available bookings here and view all the details available here. So you can go ahead and update as confirmed, canceled, or pending from here, especially if you select for manual admin approved. You can go ahead and do so from here. So it's easy and practical, along with all the filters available. Then you'll have a list of all your customers available here. So everyone who's been booking, you'll find all their available details here to view their emails and phone number. These are all test emails. These are not real, so not to worry about that. Then we have the analytics to view everything that's going on about the appointment. So we have our filters on the top and the revenue here. So there's 2 appointments here with revenue, that total $98 for the total revenue for this particular date range, the reservations, the coupons used, the payments taken in, and all those available details from here. So it's easy and practical to take in new booking appointments right from this plugin. So this is pretty cool because you're not locked in to paying a specific amount month to month for the amount of services, for the amount of the employees, paying extra service fees for payments received, because you are hosting this on your WordPress website. So what are you waiting for? Grab this plugin right now and start using it right away on your WordPress site. And that's a wrap.